Alright, so last year, whispers started circulating about Samsung cooking up a fresh addition to their Galaxy Watch family. Fast forward, and we've snagged a sneak peek at none other than the Galaxy Fit 3. Thanks to the detectives over at Windows Report, we've got our hands on the first batch of leaked images, giving us a tantalizing glimpse into what this fitness tracker has up its sleeve. And let me tell you, it's looking sleeker than ever. The Fit 3 seems to have undergone a bit of a glow-up, boasting a more substantial screen compared to its predecessor, the Fit 2. It's almost tiptoeing into smartwatch territory, but hold your horses, it's not jumping on the Wear OS bandwagon like its Galaxy Watch siblings. The design showcases a rectangular OLED screen with those sleek bezels, putting it in the ring with the Fitbit Charge 6 and the Xiaomi Band 8. A lone button stands tall on the right side. But don't get too excited, there's no loudspeaker in the mix. That means no taking calls or summoning a virtual assistant at your command. Now, feast your eyes on the leaked images featuring the Galaxy Fit 3 in a pink gold hue. It's got a heart rate sensor snuggling on the back and 2 pogo pin connectors for charging convenience. The silicone strap gives it a watch-like feel for added comfort, although it seems like you're stuck with it. No strap swapping here. Rumor has it there might be GPS on board, a feature missing in its Fit predecessors. But there's a chance it could bring Bluetooth music streaming to the party, but we're crossing our fingers until the official announcement. But here's the real kicker. If it ditches Wear OS, which looks likely, we could be looking at a fitness tracker that lasts longer, potentially lasting a week or even 2 on a single charge. Of course, there's a trade-off. You won't be getting those nifty smart apps that Galaxy Watch lovers adore. Now, let's talk money. The Fit 2 hit the shelves in 2020 with a sweet $59 price tag, but with the Fit 3 packing a larger screen and potentially more features, we might have to dig a bit deeper into our pockets. When will we get the official lowdown on all this? Well, your guess is as good as mine, but keep your eyes peeled for the next Galaxy Unpacked event. Until then, stay tuned for more juicy tech updates, and I'll catch you in the next one.